Hey and welcome to Alpha One. So I have now just had a live session where I'm trading binary option, and you can follow me every single Monday till Friday, same time every single day. So before you do that, make sure you open with this broker you see up there right now. You find link below the video and you find a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit. You can also just open a demo account and follow me on the live stream to see if you manage to copy what I'm doing. But I keep it stupid simple and it's very easy to copy what I'm doing. So now I will just show the trades we have done today. Basically I made $508. Now I will take out this $52. This is cash back from the live session I had today. So let's push there now. And this will be added to my balance. So that means my profit did go up more $52. So I made $632 on the live stream I have now. So let's now take the trades to the left. You can see 29. This is from yesterday. This is from yesterday. So here's the trades for today. So we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades. And we won 5 out of 7. So 1, 2, let me see one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 5 out of 7 trades we won. So we made good profit again today. So, like I said, make sure you follow me. Make sure you put the notification bell on when you follow me here on YouTube, because then you never lose a live stream from me. Okay? So with that, I hope I see you tomorrow in my live stream, and I hope you have open accounts so you can follow me and copy what I'm doing and make some money together with me. So with that, have an amazing day, and I'll see you on the next.